as per usual, guys, on this channel, no BS, no nonsense. We're gonna get straight to the point. We got a couple of 143 models. One by Looksmart, the Terzo Millennial, and the JS1 edition by Davis and Giovanni. These are being given away. So we're gonna start off with the Terzo Millennial right over here. All you guys have to do to enter this giveaway is comment below in this video what you guys want to see for 2019. 2018 is coming to an end. This is a super sick model, very, very highly detailed. I would love your feedback and anything that you guys want to see for 2019. I have a couple trips coming up, and we're going to Tokyo for the Tokyo Auto Salon. There's always a good time at Daikaku and Tatsumi, meeting with a bunch of friends. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys want to see or want me to do, collections to visit, cars to potentially buy. There is a car coming into the channel relatively soon, I think. So don't quote me on it, but I'll choose one winner on Christmas Day for this 143 scale Terzo Millennial. There will be another giveaway for this super sick 143 scale DNG JS1 edition Aventador. But before we head out, guys, to the shenanigans, we gotta talk about today's sponsor, and that is Vikings War of Clans. Today's video is sponsored by none other than Vikings War of Clans, and it was inspired by top PC strategy and RPG games of the 90s that we all love. Now relive those memories once again with Viking War of Clans. This is a mobile game with awesome new graphics, and it gives you an option to choose your own play style. Join more than 20 million unique players who are constantly changing the way this game evolves by fighting over resources, forging new alliances, and competing in live events. Support my channel by downloading Vikings for free, link in the description box below, and get the special bonus of 200 gold coins and a protective shield. Alright guys, I do appreciate your patience. Make sure to enter the giveaway for the Terzo Millennial. We got to roll out. Let's go.
All right, guys. It's currently Sunday. We're here for the rally from Beverly Hills to Malibu, hosted by none other than Joseph Azizi. Make sure to check out his rally info upper right-hand corner. We got all the cars lined up, and of course, our one and only favorite BHPD locking it down. Actually, the rally has barely even begun, and someone has managed to crash an M5 right around the corner. So, thing's sick on Qatar place as well. This is probably the earliest I've ever seen an Arab wake up.
Sidewalk. Up on the sidewalk.
S65. These cops are just doing loops. Just waiting for someone to do something dumb, I guess. Hey, it's Stefan and Alexandra. Oh. What? Oh my god. Dude, police bikers. Yes. That's a first. Yeah, it's a swarm, dude. Oh. Jesus. Got a lot of commotion going on here, guys. Got cars being pulled over left and right. Ooh, vloggers on vloggers? They just don't want them on the street. It's fine. Oh, no. Oh, I don't know. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, man. Dude, we've been here for like 45 minutes. Rally hasn't started, but it's a pretty impressive turnout. But it's also a pretty impressive turnout on the behalf of the BHPD. So, for a second, I thought we were going to be getting a police escort, because this left here on the Sunset Boulevard is a pain in the ass. But no, they just mounted the curb and just waiting for someone to do some dumb shit. In the GTR, and we got Damon DDE in the R. Oh, he just got snaked. Oh, hello. V8, very nice. The rally has finally begun, guys, and we're on route to PCH.
RS, nice. We got word that the BHPD called up ahead, and there is actually a police helicopter way up there just waiting. I think that's a police helicopter. Let me zoom in. I don't know. I'm 75%. Oh, there you go. I'm pretty certain that is a police helicopter just chilling and waiting. Yes, he is. Fantastic play, guys. Somebody. It's like a Las Vegas play. New GT3 RS or the old GT3 RS? What do you guys think? And we got a cop right there pulling over the Everyone's illegally parked here. No way. Alright, let's get out of here. In we go. Oh, dude, I just knocked my camera on the window, but let's get out of here. We're here at Point Doom or Zuma Beach. I don't even really know where we're at, but we got a couple burnt down houses here. Just gonna head on out of here. It's way too crowded here, so. Ooh, look at this guy. Vloggers on vloggers.
You are lifting it everywhere.
Unfortunately, I hate to say it, but someone took one for the team. It had to be the Ferrari. Thanks to Hamid for hooking it up. We're headed to the Auto Speedway. We got a special surprise for you guys at the track. And by the way, I'm wearing jeans and sneakers. My buddy here's got a train horn. Here we go. On the Ranger. There we go. Nice. All right, we're gonna head to the Auto Speedway. Special surprise. Stay tuned. Here we go, guys. Oh, whoops. All right, guys, I have no idea how the hell we made it in here. We're at the Auto Speedway. Brought my own SVR out, but here's I don't think it's a press drive. I think it's just a potential client drive for the Project 8s. All right, guys, check this out. So in the American version of the Project 8, we have the rear seats. In the European version, you have two options. You can have the rear seats, or you have a roll cage or stiffer suspension, better track, all that nonsense. But in America, not so much. This is the only thing that you get right here. Two seats, and you got the Project 8 stitched on the rear right there. That's pretty sick. And of course, you don't want to step on that. It's pretty fragile. All right, guys, so we're gonna have 3 XEs. We got 3 SVRs and 3 Project 8s. I unfortunately forgot my GoPro, so there probably won't be any in-car footage of me driving the car, so I do apologize. Maybe I'll get some flybys when they drive past there on the Speedway, but dude, 0 to 60, 3.2 seconds, 592 horsepower, limited to 300. And I think the US is getting around 30 or 50 cars, but I am not entirely sure how many they sold. These 3 here, well, there's 2 of them here, the ones on the track, are actually for sale right now. You can actually write a check and pick one up right now. Orange right there is the static display one. That's the one that broke the Nürburgring record at 7 minutes, 21.23 seconds. So here we go. Gonna warm these cars up a little bit. All have the standard carbon ceramic package. No track pack, which includes the roll cage inside. But yeah, we're gonna drive all 3 of these cars here at the Auto Speedway. Many thanks to Hamid for hooking it up as always. Make sure to check out his Instagram, upper right hand corner, guys. Dude, that thing is a beast. You guys, I apologize. I did not get any onboard footage. I did drive all 3 cars though, but the Project 8, surprisingly, when you try feathering the throttle on this car, it does not crackle and pop as much as the SVR. So that is kind of a downside, but the car is very planted. All-wheel drive, 592 horsepower, 1 to 300, and there's 3 of them here, so pretty baller. I'm gonna take the blue one out. But man,
What do you guys think? Is this car worth $188,000? But yeah, there you guys have it. Project 8 track. We're gonna head back to Los Angeles. The car is just chilling right over there. Man, pretty cool experience. I'm sorry I didn't get any footage. I suck. Alright guys, I figured the best way to fill up an F-Type SVR here, upside down with the nozzle here, auto lock, ready to roll. But the only problem is you gotta hold it with one hand. But Project 8 thoughts, it doesn't pop and crackle like the exhaust on an SVR or any F-Type R-V8. So that is a big issue for me. This exhaust noise is beautiful on the Project 8, but the SVR is so much better. So I don't know, for $200,000, it's kind of a, I don't know, it's a tough sale, honestly. I think they're having an issue trying to sell the allocations in America, so I don't know. But cool experience. Many thanks to Hamid. Appreciate it, brother. We're gonna head on out back to Los Angeles once I fill up this car. So